We are almost personal reading, all signs included. So let's see what you guys are going through. Almost personal. So yeah, what's your overall energy going to be like? Welcome back to the channel. Okay. Right now with Ace of Swords, some of you guys have got that insight of what you guys are being a part of. It's either you know what this person is trying to do, or you will be possibly knowing very soon. I see Ace of Swords, which tells me that whatever was hidden from you, like whatever this person was hiding from you, that's going to come to light. Okay, what else, Spirit? Some of you guys look at this person as toxic. You guys feel like this person is up to no good. Okay, in the past you did feel like this was your soulmate, but now you're possibly questioning it. Okay, what else? With Seven of Swords, you look at this person as a cheater, as a narcissist, as someone who you cannot trust. You feel like this person was just up for a fling maybe. In the past, you did feel like they wanted this connection, but now you're very unsure about them. You have doubts. How do you view this connection? How do you view this connection now? You very much wanted to get married with this person. With Queen of Swords, you were very sure about wanting to get married with this person. But in the past as well, you were very much manifesting this, no matter how many times they've hurt you. I believe couple of times. But you were not giving up on them. But right now with Queen of Swords, you are unsure whether you should possibly stay open or not. But right now you're not giving in emotionally at all. With Ten of Pentacles, you may be focused on finding someone stable. But with them, you're very unsure about this. One more card. What are your feelings towards this person? What are your feelings towards this person? Almost personal, soulmate, twin flame. In terms of feelings, you feel like you guys are not so connected now. You do not feel connected to them. Okay, you feel like something definitely happened. You got some insight, or you got to know some truth that is possibly making you feel a bit shaken. There was a possible tower moment in your life which got you guys questioning whether this is something you should even entertain. I don't think you're wanting to entertain this. Okay, one more card for like, what do you truly have for this person? What do you truly have for this person? With King of Pentacles in the reverse, you no longer are looking forward to the commitment part. Okay, you may still be open to them in some way. I'm not saying like you want to have sex and all that bullshit. It's that you are not going to give in commitment. Okay, that I'm very certain of. You're going to hold back because you don't trust them. How the fuck would you give someone commitment when you clearly know that they are not the types you can trust on? Okay, so one card for your person. What's your person up to? What's your person up to? With Judgment card, please clarify the Judgment card. This person definitely has a decision to be made. Okay, I see more than one person in the picture. Yeah. In terms of your person has two choices. Okay, I'll be very straightforward, clarified by Two of Pentacles. They can either choose that person or they can choose you. In terms of how do they view you, in terms of how do they view you now, like as a person, as a partner, as a soulmate, how do they view you now? With Six of Pentacles, they felt like you were too giving. Okay, you were always there for them. You always had their back. Your fucking life revolved around this person. That's how they view you. Like, you was totally giving. No matter what they were doing, you were always there for them. In the past as well, with the World card, which tells me that you saw this person as your world, as your universe, as your everything. Okay, one card for their feelings towards you. How do they truly feel about you now? Their true honest feelings for you. In the past, they were overwhelmed by this connection. They were not used to such an intense connection. But now, let's see their current feelings towards you. Okay, it's like you still make them happy, darling. Okay, the problem is, this person has choices. Even if you make them happy, some people are very good at possibly screwing good things. Like, no matter what you provide them or no matter what you offer them, they'll always manage to screw it up. Okay, and that's their problem. But yeah, I see this person as seeing you as their happiness, seeing you as someone who brings in balance in their life. They would also possibly keep you as a good option for marriage. See, when I say option for marriage, it's something, but when I say option as a partner, that is some sneaky shit, right? But they do consider you as someone who they would wish to get married to. Okay, so what's clearly blocking this connection now? What's clearly blocking this connection now, Spirit? You guys have gone through an ending and you guys have changed way too much. It's like you guys don't fit together anymore. Something has definitely happened. One of you guys were too easy going in this connection. Like you guys were not very serious about this. Could be your person. And right now that has seriously affected the connection. Okay. One more card. What are the major blockages in this connection? What's getting in the way, Spirit? 10 of Cups. You wanted marriage, you wanted forever, but they were not up for it. They wanted an open relationship, no strings attached. Okay, even if they had feelings for you, they were not ready for commitment, and you were not willing to entertain them without commitment. So that very much got in the way, I believe. Okay, right now, what are they wanting to offer you? Right now, what are they wanting to offer you? To be honest, I feel this person wants to open up to you now. They want to possibly tell you about what's bothering them. Okay, that could happen very soon. Like they do not want to keep you stuck to them anymore. They'll either tell you what's happening in their life, or they'll possibly set you free. Either one is going to happen in this month. They'll either tell you that they can no longer entertain you, or they'll tell you that they are choosing you over the other person. But they are definitely stuck. They have choices, and majorly they do not want to keep you stuck, darling. They do not wish to keep you as a side option. They know your worth. They do not want to hurt you. I believe they have finally gone through that tough moment, which forced them to believe and to possibly see the fact that they are hurting you and you do not deserve it. So right now, I see this person trying to unstuck you or possibly free you from whatever overthinking you're doing right now. They will definitely take action towards you. You'll definitely get to hear the truth, but mind you, this truth might hurt you a bit, but the truth, even if it hurts you, it always sets you free. Okay, so one card for how do they view the connection they share with you? How do they view the connection they share with you? The Empress card. They see this connection as something that has potential to grow and possibly go full circle. They see you as someone who's truly been there for them, and who's someone who's truly going to be there for them. Like you're going to forever hold on to them. You're going to build on this connection. You're going to possibly grow old with them. You're not going to cheat on them. You're truly there. You truly have everything it needs in a partner. Okay. With the Page of Pentacles right now, this person will start off small, but I do see them messaging you. Okay, I know I say this a lot, but sometimes not everyone's connection is on the same possible wavelength or energy, right? So sometimes you guys get a message, sometimes you guys don't. Okay, so one card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now. One more card. Yeah, this person will definitely travel in order to see you. They'll either make a move. If they live at a distance, chances are they might want to see you very soon, like in the next couple of months. I definitely, like in a month, to be honest. If they are not being able to see you this month, I see this person wanting to see you by next month, like face to face, one-on-one. If you live continents apart, then that's a different story. But with Ace of Cups, they definitely want to revive this connection. They had option. They possibly lived through that option. They saw your worth. They know what you mean to them. They know what you make it, like what you can make them feel. The other person cannot. The other person could have been an easier option, but that doesn't mean the other person was a better option. Easier is not always better. Shortcuts lead nowhere. Okay, so yeah, one card for. What do they think you are up to? What do they think you are up to? With Wheel of Fortune, they feel like you're trying to move on. You're trying to just stay focused on yourself. With their different card, you're trying to possibly give in to yourself, heal yourself, fix yourself, make yourself. I mean, whatever it takes to build yourself. Okay. One more card. They know that right now you won't compromise. They basically know that you have changed. Since the separation, the breakup was a catalyst to change, and that was needed. That was very much needed. and I know that breakup hurt you, that breakup possibly messed up with the connection, but it was needed, trust me on that. So what can you guys expect from this person for the next 3 days? What can you guys possibly expect from this person for the next 3 days? Okay. To be very honest, they are still fighting the temptation. Okay, right now they do not know what they can offer you. Right now they might be holding back a bit. They are conflicted. They are a little upset with you as well. But with Seven of Wands and Page of Cups, even after fighting the temptation of holding back, eventually I see them reaching out. Okay, so by the end of the week, where do we see this going? By the end of the next week, sorry. Let's take the 20th. By the 20th, where do we see this going, Spirit? I feel with Justice card, you'll definitely get some honest communication. By the end of 20th, I see things happening. What are you up to? What's your intention though? What's your intention though? Your intention is to continue staying focused on yourself. I don't see you trying harder on this connection at all. Okay. So coming back to your spirit messages, what you should be knowing about this connection moving forward. What should my soulmate twin flames, loving souls, be knowing about this connection? But do expect hot and cold behavior from this person. Okay, don't expect a smooth journey. This person is right now conflicted. Chances are they'll message you, but they'll hold back again. Then they'll message you again. So that's going to continue for at least a week. Okay, still hope. So this person is still keeping hope that this will work somehow. Some of you, this person wasn't exactly your type. You know, at start it might have been very good, but then you guys realize that you guys were not exactly each other's types. Okay, let them sort their issues. You hold back. This has been the message that is possibly like coming up for the past couple of weeks. But yes, let them sort their issues. They do have a lot of issues. You guys might feel like this is over and done. Like you have a very strong feeling that this might have been over and done. Okay. Bottom card we have is wrong timing. So in the past, the reason why it did not work because it wasn't the right time. Okay. I am obsessed with you, addicted is their last message. I am obsessed with you, addicted. Okay. So I've got one more message. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. So yes, they might not be proving this to you in any which way. It doesn't look like they are communicating or they are doing anything. You're possibly waiting and you feel like this person is giving up on you and it's over, but it's not. You think it's over, but it's not. Okay. So yes, this was your reading. All signs collective, soulmate, twin flame, almost personal. All you need to know about your person. If it resonated, consider hitting the like button, subscribe, share, whatever you need to do, support the channel. Okay, and all those who want a personal reading, please do reach out. And all those who have already booked a reading, you'll be getting it in this week. I've been going a little slow thanks to the retrograde. It's kind of kicking my ass, to be honest. The last week is always tough, my friend. So it's a bit difficult. So, but yeah, I've been trying, and I'll be like getting your readings done by this week, possibly if you booked a couple of weeks ago. Okay. So yes, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.